Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set default paper size in Microsoft Word to A3. This way, every new document you create will automatically be set for A3 paper size. So let's jump right in. So first, open your Microsoft Word, and then once it is open, click on the Layout tab at the top of the window. In the Layout tab, locate the Page Setup group, which is right over here. Click on this small arrow at the bottom right of this group to expand the Page Setup option. Now, in the Page Setup dialog box, click on the Paper tab. Now, over here under the Paper Size option, click on the drop-down menu and select A3. After choosing the A3 size, make sure to select on Apply to Whole Document, which you can see right over here. Then simply click on Set as Default. Then when prompted, just simply change this to default settings by entering Yes right over here. And now you will have a 3-page, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And you have successfully set A3 as the default paper size for your Microsoft Word document. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.